Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So in this device this option is kind of hidden, so it may be confusing to find it. So all we have to do is to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find the Smart Manager. Let's enter. Now we have to tap on the battery. And then let's tap on battery detail. And as you can see right here, we've got the battery percentage option. So let's simply tap. And as you can see, three different from which we can choose. So do not show. Probably you've got this one. Inside the battery icon, as you can see, I've got it applied or next to the battery icon. So the percentage will be much more visible and will be displayed next to the battery icon. So it's up to you, of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.